The sleek and beautiful Scudo S6 Sliding Door shower enclosure will transform your bathroom or ensuite, available here at Bella Bathrooms. This shower enclosure is both stylish and safe, with a polished chrome finish and clear 6mm toughened safety glass. Its universal design allows you to choose between left and right openings, making it suitable for any bathroom configuration. The easy access to your shower is ensured by the smooth sliding movement. With the Aqua Shield glass treatment, you can say goodbye to water stains and soap residue and keep your glass crystal clear and easy to clean. The 1000mm shower door and 900mm side panel are ideal for corner installation and provide plenty of space for a relaxed shower session. The Scudo S6 Sliding Door is an excellent addition to your home. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo shower enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.